Hello all. So if you are using Linux on your laptops, there are like few ways you can manage your batteries better. So you have more options to fine tune your power consumption on a Linux machine. So there are like several tools available for you. One like two of them are like TLP and Powertop. So in order for you to install TLP, you can use your desired package manager in your distribution. So mine, I'm on Arch and mine is pacman, so sudo pacman -s. I'm going to install TLP and TLP-RDW, and along with this I'm going to install Powertop. So after that you can also install you can use your favorite AUI helper, EA, or you can use your favorite AUI helper, and you can install TLP GUI if you want to configure TLP graphically. So both of these tools are used to configure your laptop's hardware, USB. They can force auto on mount of specific devices, reduce your clock speed and all those things. So your TLP's default configuration will be available in /etc/tlp.conf. So TLP comes with a default configuration. So if you open the TLP configuration, you can see like various options are available here for you to customize. So specifically there are like options for USB, all those things. So if you wanna blacklist a USB, or if you don't want auto suspend USB, you can remove that. So basically this will be the, if I go to insert mode and find by default your auto suspend will be having a value of 1, so I don't want auto suspend. I'm going to cancel that. So if you want to do blacklisting or something, you can do that over here. So that's that. I will show you how to configure this from a graphical front end. That's why we installed TLP GUI package from the UI. Then TLP, yeah, TLP UI. So this is the TLP UI, the graphical front end for configuring your TLP. So here you can enable or disable your TLP. So before doing this, you have to do something else from your command line. So you have to sudo systemctl, you have to enable the TLP service, and you have to disable mask systemd rfkill service and socket. You have to mask these two systemd units. So you have to mask rfkill socket and rfkill service, rfkill.service. You have to mask that. And after enabling your TLP service, if you do sudo tlp-state, you can see your TLP status. So here if you go up a little bit, you can see your USB auto suspend and all these configurations. So you can configure this from your text editor inside your etc directory, or you can do this with the graphical user front end if you have installed this one. So I'm gonna close the terminal for now. So here you can basically enable and disable TLP. You can make it persistent. You can you have three operation modes, two operation modes. So there is 0 depending on the power source, and 1, that is TLP is always on default mode. So you can choose whichever you want, either 1 or 0. So usually it's better to go with based on power source. So if you're having like power connected to your laptop, you can enjoy like higher clock speeds and everything. So it's good, it's a good practice to keep your battery life higher. So here you can disable your sound power, like you can turn off the power to your speakers and all these things, and you can control your disk idle status. If you're having a mechanical hard drive, you can customize that. Then here you have like your graphic profiles. So here you can choose whichever profile you want, power profiles you want. Basically you can do the same thing from /etc/tlpconf, and here you have your network configuration. So keep Wi-Fi power on or Wi-Fi disabled, you can do that. So it will suspend Wi-Fi automatically on power saving mode if you're not using that. And you have like, you can configure your clock speeds, so balance performance. If you want more battery, you can set to more power, or if you want like default, you can do that. And you have all these options to suspend USB, so you can turn on or turn off your auto suspend. So this will like automatically suspend your USB devices while they are not using. So for me, from my experience, it have caused me some issues, so it's better to turn that off. So if you're having a ThinkPad, you are going to have a few more options over here. So that's that. Then you have like, let me clear my screen. Then you have Powertop. So I'm sorry, you need to have super user privileges, sudo Powertop. So this one is Powertop. So Powertop gives you access to your system's power usage, your battery discharge reports, and all these things. So here you have some profiles. So there are some tunable profiles. So it will tell you like how your system configuration is. So like you can do it manually or you can do it automatically. So you can use auto tune. So if I do that, it will perform the auto tune for my system. Sudo Powertop auto tune. And now if I run Powertop and if I use tab to move to this one tunables, you can see everything is good. So the more power consuming things have been like optimized. That's that. So by doing these two, you can like get a better optimized battery usage on your laptop. So that's that. I hope you all have a wonderful day.